Welcome to Math Challenge 431. In Math Challenge 431, we are given a hexagon and a triangle. We are given one hexagon and one triangle. Both are regular, means the hexagon is a regular hexagon and the triangle is an equilateral triangle. We have to find the perimeter of the hexagon if the perimeter of the red triangle is 12 root 3. The perimeter, not the area. The perimeter of the red triangle is 12 root 3. Then we have to find the perimeter of the hexagon. Math challenge 431. The perimeter of the equilateral triangle is given 12 root 3. Now the triangle is equilateral means all the sides will be of equal length. So if the total of 3 equal sides is 12 root 3, then each side is 4 root 3. The triangle is equilateral. So all the sides are equal. So the length of 3 sides together is 12 root 3. So each side length will be 4 root 3 units. So this is the first thing we find from perimeter of the equilateral triangle to one side of the triangle, which is 4 root 3. Next, we find out the interior angle of the polygon. The sum of interior angles of a polygon of n sides is given by 2n minus 4 whole into 90 degrees. So if n is 6, for a hexagon n will be 6. So 2n minus 4 will become 2 into 6 minus 4. So that will be 8 into 90 or 720 degrees. This is the sum of all the 6 interior angles. So one interior angle will be 720 divided by 6, that is 120 degrees. Using 2n minus 4 right angle formula, we get the sum of the 6 interior angles as 720. 2n minus 4, n equal to 6. So 2 into 6 minus 4, 8. 8 right angles or 720 degrees. That is the sum of 6 interior angles. So each interior angle will be 720 by 6 or 120 degrees. We mark this angle 120 degrees. So we got each angle of the hexagon is 120. Mark this 120. Now consider triangle BAC. This we have shaded differently. In a different color we have shaded the triangle BAC. Now AB equal to BC. AB equal to BC. Why? Because they are sides of a regular hexagon. So triangle BAC is isosceles. The gray shaded one is isosceles triangle, and each base angle, now the vertical angle is 120. So 180 minus 120 is 60. So each of the base angles must be 30. Angle A must be 30 and angle C must be 30 because the total is 180. So each base angle is 30 degrees. So mark these things: the vertical angle 120, the base angle 30, and the side, each side of the red triangle 4 root 3. Now we proceed further. Now draw BX perpendicular to the base AC. Only the triangle shaded BAC we are considering. Draw BX perpendicular to the base. Because this is an isosceles triangle, BX will bisect the base. So the full AC was 4 root 3. So half of this, from X to C, it will be 2 root 3. Half of that XC will be half of AC, because BX will bisect the base, because this is an isosceles triangle. So the perpendicular BX bisects AC. AC was 4 root 3. So half of that XC will be 2 root 3. So we have a right angle triangle where base is 2 root 3. And this angle is given 30, or we calculated 30. So consider the blinking right angle triangle BXC. You can see the triangle blinking. XC by BC, that is base by hypotenuse, is cos 30. Base by hypotenuse is cos 30, and the value for cos 30 is root 3 by 2. The value for cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 or cos 30 is base by hypotenuse, that is 2 root 3 by BC. Cross multiply and we get BC equal to 4. Root 3 by 2, that is the value for cos 30, which is base by hypotenuse. Base is 2 root 3 by hypotenuse BC. So root 3 by 2 equal to 2 root 3 by BC, and cross multiplying and simplifying we get BC equal to 4. So each side of the hexagon is 4. BC is one side of hexagon, and it's a regular hexagon, so all the sides will be equal to BC or 4 units. So 6 sides, the total perimeter will be 4 into 6, 24 units. Each side, the hypotenuse BC, which is one side of the hexagon, 4 units. So the perimeter, all the 6 sides together, will be 24 units of length, and that's what we are asked to find, the perimeter of the hexagon, 24 units.
Was that interesting? If you have any other method, we would love to learn from you. We shall come back with more interesting videos. Like, share the videos, and subscribe to our channel if you are a math lover. Till then, goodbye.